Hey Skin Junkies, welcome back to Complexions, my skincare series. Today's resurfacing facial is on my beautiful friend, Toy. I performed one of my signature holistic treatments using a blend of clean and Ayurvedic products for a natural approach to anti-aging. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. For her first cleanse, I'm massaging in the Osea Ocean Cleansing Milk. Melt away environmental debris and makeup with this fragrance-free cleanser. Enriched with water lily and rose, nature's best skin soothers. And red algae that deeply hydrates skin and promotes the appearance of youthful volume and firmness. Skin healing, meditation, crystals, and energy work are a huge part of my practice, and I love to intertwine my medical aesthetic, holistic, and Ayurvedic background into one for an entire skin and soul experience. For her second cleanse, I'm using the Luna 3 from Swedish brand Foreo, a 2-in-1 cleansing brush paired with the Indie Lee brightening cleanser. This gentle and ultra-hygienic silicone resists the buildup of bacteria and tackles stubborn blackheads. Gently massage in circular motion around the face for a thorough cleanse. Brighten up the epidermis with this antioxidant-rich cleanser, makeup remover, and mask in one. You can choose to massage the face with the reverse side for a firming and product-penetrating, relaxing treatment. Luna 3 is the perfect solution for a professional skincare treatment from home during quarantine. Strawberry seed oil, hydrolyzed wheat protein, and tomato extracts help strengthen, firm, and protect, leaving the skin feeling hydrated, silky, and luminous. Bathing the skin in the Audacity Blue Aura Cleansing Water, an Ayurvedic anti-pollution formula infused with neem, holy basil, and turmeric herbs. And infused with French micellar water to gently cleanse, and organic aloe vera juice that is rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. For her gentle exfoliation, I'm using my Ultrasonic spatula. The vibrations from the exfoliate setting work to dislodge blackheads and other impurities from the pores, helping fight off rogue breakouts and inflammation. I like to mix my medical aesthetic experience with my holistic background for skin-changing results, and blading is one of my favorite resurfacing add-ons. Dermaplaning is a skin treatment that uses an exfoliating blade to skim dead skin cells and vellus hair from your face, which results in making the skin surface smooth, youthful, and radiant. Now it is time to calm the skin. In my Ayurvedic practice over the last decade, I have learned how to create many natural concoctions, balms, and elixirs from various plants, herbs, oils, and more. One treatment I swear by is my Pitta Dosha Calming Mask, created with fresh aloe vera meat, rose water, hibiscus, 100% pure herbal oils, and more. Aloe vera is known to be a powerful Ayurvedic medicine that is applied both internally and externally for youthful results. For her second treatment, I like to apply a more rich cream mask, so I lathered on the red algae mask from Osea. Enriched with French pink clay to firm, juniper leaf to decongest, and tea tree to diminish blemishes, while Gigertina seaweed helps deliver visible anti-aging benefits. Optimize your skincare ritual with this healing water from Yonka, Paris. It drenches the skin with the solar charge energy of 5 aromatic essential oils for purifying, toning, and invigorating effects. For her firming massage, I'm using the Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil from Clean Beauty brand Biossance. A luxuriously lightweight oil that delivers a trifecta of skin-loving goodness. Improve the overall tone and texture while increasing skin's radiance. Created with a potent blend of vitamin C that brightens and boosts elasticity. Squalane is a mega moisturizing molecule that mimics our skin's natural hydration, that locks in much needed moisture. And Chios crystal oil that firms and revitalizes to give your skin that youthful plumpness. I use this oil in my routine personally and love that it is formulated with non-toxic ingredients that are all around good for the skin and soul. It is now time to enter your meditative state. Breathe in and breathe out. After this revitalizing treatment with natural actives, protection is key, and the Clear Zinc SPF 30 from Lucrece is a high-quality sun defender for all skin types. Finish off by hydrating the pout with the ultra moisturizing Squalane plus Rose Vegan Lip Balm, packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid that helps replenish, hydrate, and soften lips. And that completes this complexion.
Oh my god.
Beaming.
I'm literally like a whole new person.
A whole new person, a whole new skin, right?
Literally like a whole new face.
So that dermaplaning, that exfoliation,
Yeah.
it just is life-changing, skin-changing, and your makeup is gonna go on so much smoother.
Yeah.
If you're wearing any, as you can see, the texture even looks better.
Yeah, I can
Very
like see
smooth.
it all right there.
Like no texture at all.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is insane. Yeah. I don't want to like touch it, but
That's bad. Don't
I
even
know.
touch it. No touching the face. But I hope you enjoyed it.
I did. Thank you so much.
You're
That
so
was
welcome,
like
baby.
so relaxing. Like,
Oh, you deserve it.
I needed that.
Okay, Dewbabies, I really hope you enjoyed this look at one of my most requested treatments by my clients. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be part of the Skin Junkie crew.